If you are a person who is wanting to know more about Google Drive and you want to learn how to get more storage space for yourself, the video for today is for you because I'm going to give you a brief explanation about what Google Drive is and how you could use it to your benefit. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you are not doing fantastic, just stick with me till the end. I am very much sure I would be able to drive that cloud of confusion from your mind about Google Drive, because Google Drive is basically a file storage and synchronization service from Google. Okay, it was launched in I think 2012, and Google Drive allows user to store files in the cloud. So basically, Google Drive is a location in which you could store files and you could, access them anywhere in the world as long as you have access to your Google account. Okay, and it's very useful because if you are traveling from one place to the other and you want to store something, Google Drive is the best place to store your files. Okay, what if you're traveling by flight or you're traveling by train or bus and you misplace your laptop? I mean, God forbid that happens, but if you save your files on Google Drive, you could at least access your files. Okay, even if you have misplaced a device and whatever. So signing up for Google Drive is super simple. You could use your login, user ID and password for your Google account itself to access Google Drive. So let's go ahead and try opening up Google Drive out here. You could go to google.com and just type in Google Drive and do a search. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get all the options out here. Don't go for the application if you are using a laptop or a PC. I suggest you get to the website directly. Okay, so you could just click on this link, get onto Google Drive, and once you are trying to log in, and Google would ask you to enter your user ID and password. So let me use my email address or the user ID associated with my email address. Since I already am logged into Google, this wouldn't ask me to put in my password, but it may ask you to put in a password. Put in your password and log in. So once you are on the homepage for your Google account, you could click on this menu option and you get a drop down for all the applications available for you from Google according to your location. Okay, so you scroll down and you see all the applications out here, but what we are interested in is Google Drive. So you could click on this icon for Google Drive. A new tab pops up here. Okay, and you could see here that I already have stuff stored on my Google Drive account, so you could also have the same. Okay, very quickly, you could see here that you have a menu to the left and you have another drop down menu to the right. Okay, so here you could create a new file. The next option, My Drive, is the Google Drive storage space. All right, next option is computers. Okay, if you click on that option, you could see here whatever files are synced from your computer to your Google Drive account. Okay, if you have any videos or any pictures that you have automatically synced through an application to Google Drive, that would show up out here. Okay, whatever files are shared with you through other Google Drive accounts would be shown out here. Okay, whatever recent files you have would show out here. Whatever important files you have, if you have started, would be shown out here. In the trash bin, you would see whatever files were deleted within the last 30 days. Okay, now here to the bottom, this is something very important. You need to understand that you get 15 GB of free cloud storage from Google. 15 GB is a lot of space for files, but if you have larger files you want to store, if you are through with your limit out here, what you could do is you could also buy storage space, which is very reasonable from Google. Of course, Google is amazing and these guys always try to help us. To the right here, if you need support, you could click on this option. You have a settings gear icon, and again here the menu option to toggle around through applications from Google, and here basically you could just change your account, okay, to log into Google Drive or email or whatever it is. Right, so this is basically the website for Google Drive. All right, so now let me show you how to upload files to Google Drive so that you could store it here and access it anywhere in the world. Okay, so say suppose you want to upload a picture or an entire folder. All you have to do is just click on new. If you want to create a folder, you could click on this option. If you want to directly upload a file, you click on this specific option for file upload. If you want to upload the entire folder containing n numbers of pictures or videos or other files, whatever it is, you could click on this option. Okay, for now let me show you how to just upload a file. You could click on this option. You're going to see a pop-up like this. You could select whatever file you want to upload to Google Drive. So for example, let me upload my picture and save it there, so that if I need to access this anywhere from anywhere in the world, I could do that, right? So as you could see here that it has been uploaded to the right. Okay, and you could actually see that on your drive on Google. So this is actually stored on your Google Drive account. Okay, it's a cloud storage, so there's nothing being stored on your laptop or your computer system or your smartphone, whatever you are using. So this is the picture I just uploaded like this. You could upload pictures, files, whatever you want that is accepted on Google Drive, and you could access that from anywhere in the world. I hope this information was interesting. If you like the video for today, give it a thumbs up, post a nice little comment, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.